We are so excited. So we've been waiting for months for this to happen. Angel's on her way home. Her dad nominated her from behind bars to have a room made for her. We can't wait. Can't wait to see her expression. She's gonna love it. Our goal is to create an atmosphere of importance for her so that she feels valued and loved, and that's exactly what her dad wants. It's gonna bring restoration and hope and joy.
Open it, Jay. Oh wow, they did it already? Oh wow!
Surprise!
Wow, it looks so nice.
Oh, good. I'm glad you like it.
Wow.
We don't want to scare you.
I was like, what? Oh wow.
This is really pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, this is awesome. Okay, I'm going to
Well,
stop recording.
I wish I would have known because I wore the same sweater 3 days in a row.
You know what? That's what Lisa said. Lisa said, you know, she's a teenager. She's not going to want to get ready. And I said, oh, well.
No, yeah, like I didn't have any clothes at my aunt's house. That's why I left them all at my grandma's.
Surprise
you.
schedule.
Thank you.
You're so welcome. I'm so glad we got to do this.
That's a good one.
She's been very appreciative.
1, 2, 3.
Well, that was amazing. She loved it, every bit of it. She's such a sweetheart. And we're going to keep in contact. And then we're going to do a circle of giving, and she's going to be there the next time.